Hey, y'all. Happy Saturday. Today is Saturday, the 19th of October. I may upload this for tomorrow, even though I already have a video in queue for tomorrow. But I want to say happy Saturday. I got a little Chinese mukbang, watching the tail end of Masked Singer. I missed, they playing the second and the third one from last week, the last 2 weeks. Um, Layla Ali was the panda bear, which I didn't get to hear her perform because I'm watching like the very tail end of it. I didn't know she could sing. Oh, I gotta watch this next one. I missed that one too. I missed the second and third episode, but I did catch the one this week, and these costumes are just gorgeous. Okay, it comes on Wednesdays on Fox TV. I've said this 100 times. Um, so I'm gonna pray and then I'm gonna get in and show y'all my food. So right here, I got my wort of wonton soup with no shrimp. I don't really do a lot of Chinese restaurants. Shrimp, you see the TV glared off of it. It has vegetables in it, wonton, a little corns. I get extra vegetables and wontons. It also has chicken in here too. So normally in the war wonton soup, they have chicken, shrimp, and then your wontons, and then vegetables. I don't like the shrimp because they don't devein them, and I think it's pork in here too. So chicken, shrimp, pork, and the wontons and vegetables. So I take out the shrimp and get extra wontons and vegetables in it. And then they give you a bag of chips. I always get 2 bags of chips. My tooth has been really sensitive these past couple of days. So these are the chips that they give you to put in your soup. I thought I would just get something that's kind of soft, but then I added in these I got these barbecue spare ribs, and this is some pork fried rice. I haven't eaten all day. This is the first thing I've eaten. So this pork fried rice and some barbecue spare ribs right there. That's good. So I'm only gonna be on here for a little while. Don't have a whole lot to talk about, but this weekend has been a good weekend. This week has been a trying week. Y'all know I got my Sprite with extra ice on deck from McDonald's. Y'all know how I do it. Before I get too far into this video, please, on your way and give me that thumbs up. 2, if you could please watch my videos all the way through or then leave a genuine comment, I appreciate it. I'm trying to get my videos into the analytics and into these feeds as much as possible. But 2, what YouTube is doing is they're taking back views and subs because people are just going in, maybe subbing to your channel and then leaving. And so what YouTube would do a lot of the times, if you don't leave a comment and if you don't leave a genuine comment like, hi, nice channel, love what you're doing, they will either spam it, or if you don't leave a comment, they will take back the sub, because people numbers are jumping all around like crazy. And also what I heard from Carolina Hillbilly is that I don't know how they doing it. I'm kind of like need a book for dummies when it comes to, you know, certain computer things, but he was saying that people are playing. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty, that costume. He said that people are finding ways to speed through people's playlists faster. And so what they're doing is they're going back and taking away watch hours from the content creators, which is not helping us any. They're catching on to all of the tricks that people are trying to do to get these 4,000 watch hours. But I'm thinking, why does it matter if people watch the thing, you know, or it played through? Who cares? Y'all want a bite? Take a bite. Um, so that's what YouTube is doing now to us when people are running a playlist. So please, if you can just do that so we can make those watch hours and minutes stick and get our channels into the feed, the analytics, and not drop down. Greatly, greatly, greatly appreciate it. Like, seriously. And also, too, when you sub to me and leave me a comment, I could get back to you much faster, because if you don't leave me a comment or watch my vid, I won't even know that you subbed. And so it's easier for me to just for you to leave me a comment if you sub to me, so I know I have to go hit this person back, because we get a lot of subs a day. And not only that, we're following a lot of people. So you just drop down to the bottom of the list. Sound like Dolly Parton. So yeah. Sometimes I don't like these ribs because the stuff gets stuck all between your teeth. And stuff. But other than that, it's been a good weekend, a good Saturday. Networked a little bit, got in on TR's growth screen, got in on Carolina Hillbilly. Go check those guys out. Two great content creators and growth streamers. Here to help out the community. They not sub for sub channels. Go and introduce yourself, chit chat, and people will check you out. That's how it works. But I had a great two sale days of LuLaRoe. Some of y'all don't know unless y'all watch some of my older videos. The last couple of videos before I came back to YouTube, I think this week made 1 year that I came back on YouTube. But my last couple of videos before I left are LuLaRoe videos. And if some of y'all don't know what that is, it's women's clothing. They do a couple of men's shirts, but I sell all women's. I sell leggings, dresses, skirts, and shirts, tops. And I had some of the football moms, my son's teammates' moms came in and shop with me last Saturday. And then one of the ladies came back today and shopped more with me. She bought more this week than she did last week, but she bought some stuff for her mother-in-law. Some shirts, bought more for herself. And then one of the other ladies came and bought a skirt and a top or something from her mom. So I was very appreciative of those ladies. So I made some good money between last week and this week. My son and them won their game last night. And it was like a game where they win a trophy because there's two teams in the same school district that was playing against each other. They won the trophy last year, and then they won this year. It hasn't been a good season for my son and them. This was only their second game. That they won. But my husband's team won today, really big, so it was always great to get that win. Although it's been a crappy week for me. Just being tired and not being able to, not sleeping well and stuff. The weekend is ending good, on a good note. So, that's just about it. I ain't gonna be on here too long. And if y'all could please watch more than 2 minutes, at least give me 3 to 5 minutes on my video. 3 to 5 minutes. Give me 3 to 5 minutes. It used to be 30 seconds, and YouTube would give you the full view. But now they're making you watch 3 minutes. They give the person a few views. That's why we just say watch the video all the way through or let it play. If you're ready to move down, move on, open up another tab and let the current video play and go on to your next one. And just keep checking back on it until it's done. Since you took the time to come over anyway. But hope everybody have the rest of the great weekend. Have a great Sunday. Get ready for Monday. Peace.